Fall is in the air and I'm ready to make a great salad. So I'm starting off with my lettuce, and then I have pears and I have apples. Don't forget to put the lemon juice on your pears and apples so they don't turn brown. Then I'm going to toss. So now I'm going to start making my dressing, and of course I'm going to add olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and of course I want that sweetness of the honey because I love a sweet salad dressing. And then you've got to finish it off with salt. Whisk that together, and that is what makes a great salad. Now let's add the dressing, and I'm going to toss the salad with that. And the finisher is to add the cranberries, our feta cheese. We're getting all our fall flavors in there, and walnuts. Do a final toss and serve and enjoy.